So I think matrix multiplication is getting over, ma. Is clear? Matrix multiplication is getting over. So passing, next one is, we are going to see array as function parameters. Okay, I think you have studied well about the function. In function, I think ma'am have gave the introduction about you. Passing the functions or passing the parameters. What are the two methods, ma? What are the two methods?
Call by value, call by.
Sudeep Saiputi, I will show you once. I will show the call by value,
Call by reference.
call by value, call by reference. So here also we have two methods, passing the entire array and passing the array element by element. Passing the entire array will be called as a pass by address. Passing the element by element will called as a pass by value. Is clear? I think that's why ma'am showed that diagram. Pass call by address, call by value. Call by address means what? We will pass the address, so it will affect the original value. Call by value means what? It does not affect the original value. Okay, and the next one is, the last one is pass by reference. So after completing this two, I will explain you the third one. So first we will see pass by, passing the entire array and passing the array element by element. Are you all clear? Is you all clear, ma? Yes. Okay. Pass by address, pass by value. Okay. Now first we will see passing the entire array. Passing the entire array. Now tell me, what are the three elements in function, ma? What are the three elements in function?
1, 2, 3.
What are the three elements? Yeah, very good. Function,
Declaration.
function,
Definition.
function,
Declaration.
declaration. Yeah.
Definition.
Just function,
Definition.
calling,
Definition.
function calling, and then
Function
Definition.
function definition. Okay, if I am writing function, I supposed to be very clear whether these three things have been written or not. Okay. Very good. So three are there. What is my function name? What is my function name?
Modify.
Modify. We have two types of function: user defined function and predefined function. So my stdio.h and conio.h will comes under the predefined function, and my modify will comes under the user defined function. Okay. Now tell me, what is this ARR and what is this A? What is this name of this parameter?
Array.
Array, that is okay. Arrays, I'm not saying. What is the name of the parameter? We have studied two types of parameters. By passing the parameter, we have studied two types.
Formal.
Yeah, very good. Formal. One more. One more name of the, very good, Emmanuel. Actual parameter. Okay, now tell me, ARR will comes under what type of parameter? Actual or for?
Actual parameters.
Actual parameter. Very good. The parameter which is defined in the main function is actual parameter. The parameter which is passed from main function to calling function, call as a main function to sub function, is called as a formal parameter. So what is the name of this parameter?
Formal.
Formal. Okay, very good. Okay. Now tell me, now comes to this part. This is you are saying array. Am I correct or not? What is the data type of array? Int. What is my array name?
Formal.
What is my array name?
I.
Array name. ARR. Yes, I'm
Yeah,
my
R,
code.
R, R.
Okay, okay. Tell me the dimension of my array.
Single dimension.
3.
Yeah, single dimension. Only one row is there. No column subscript. Okay. My size of the array,
3.
3. So my
3.
data type is integer. My array name is ARR. It is a single dimension array and 3 elements are in the array. Okay. So first I am printing my element value. What is my starting value of I? I equal to
0.
1,
I equal to
1.
0. I equal to 1.
2,
I
3.
equal to
I 2, 3
0,
where will
1,
come?
2.
Only 2, ma'am.
Only, ma'am.
Only
only
2.
2, ma'am.
I less than 3. Only 2. So ARR of 0. ARR of 1. ARR of 2. Only 3 elements are there. Okay. You know the value is 1,
1,
2, 3. Okay. This is before modifying. Okay. Now you come to my function. Here, what is the alteration I did? What is the alteration I did, ma? What is I have did? What is the function? A of I equal to what? What is I have written? A of I into I. I have written what, ma? A of I into A of
A
I.
of I.
Okay. Now you all know when I is 0, what is my value?
0.
1 into 1.
1.
1 into 1. You all understand ARR is my actual parameter. A is my formal parameter. Now this value is passed here. I am passing my entire array. Okay, 1 into 1. Okay, next
4.
I equal to
2
0.
into
The next calculation is I equal to 1. 2 into 2. So what is the answer?
4.
4.
Okay, then I equal to 2. What is the answer?
3 into 3, 9.
9. So what is my actual parameter value actually? What is my actual
1,
parameter?
2, 3.
My formal parameters are
0, 1.
1, 2, 3, ma'am.
1, 2, 3 is my actual parameter. That actual parameter is formal parameter is also 1, 2, 3. But I did one calculation, A of I into A of I. After that, my values are what? 1.
149.
1 for 9.
149.
Okay, if I do any modification in my formal parameter, it will affect the actual parameter. That is called as a what method we have discussed previously. Pass by address or passing the entire element, it will affect the original value. We have a 2 methods. Have you clear? Have you clear? I will execute you and I will show you. Yeah, I'm getting 149 here. Yeah. Yalini and some of them have put Rinosh and all. So, okay, thank you. So now I will clear all. So you have understand that I will execute this program and I will show you. I will execute you at last. Okay. So you all understand passing the entire array. What are the 2 types, ma? You just note down in your notebook. What are the 2 types?
Pass entire
Entire array. Another method is
element array
Pass array
element
element
by
by
passing entire array. The second method is passing element by element. Passing the entire array is called as what?
Pass by
Pass by address.
changes made inside
Pass by
directory.
address. It will affect the original value. Now only we did a
Actual
manipulation. Actual parameter is 1, 2, 3. I have modified my formal parameter that become 149. So if I go and search, my actual parameter also will become 149. That's why it is affect the original value. That's why ma'am put that cool drink bottle and she have explained. Did you seen pass by address method or that is call by address? Okay. Next one, second method. You all take down the second method, passing element by element. What is that method? Name, another name. What is the another name?
pass by
Pass by value. It does not affect the original value. It does not affect the original value. Okay, shall I explain you now? Have you note down this? Have you note down this in your notebook? Okay. Yalini put yes. Okay. Okay, ma. So now I will move on to the next one. This is passing the entire array. The next one is, so this is one example. The next one is passing element by element. Okay. Now you tell me. What is this, ma'am? What is this? You tell me what is this?
Function declaration.
Function declaration.
Very good. Function declaration. And this is what?
Function definition.
calling.
Function calling. And this is what?
Definition.
Function definition.
Function definition.
Function definition. What is my function name?
Show.
Show. Okay.
Show.
Here I am passing element by element. Okay. So ARR, passing element by element. Now we are seeing what is this, ma? ARR. How many elements are there in that one?
3.
Three elements. 3 elements I given directly in the program. Okay. Now show ARR of I. You all know what is the how many I values will be there?
3.
3 values. So 3 values will be passed to this X. So that X will print that 3 value 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is the value now? This is I am passing element by element. First ARR of 0 is passed. The next one is what? ARR of 1. Then next one is
ARR
2.
true. All this value will be passed and that will print the X value. So 1, 2, 3. So if I do any modification in my function, it doesn't affect the original value. This is called as a passing element by element. Is clear? What is the another name of this? What is the another name of this?
Pass by value.
Pass by value. It does not affect the
Any original array element.
any original value. Okay. Now, so have you understand this, ma? Have you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain
Yes,
once
ma'am.
again, ma'am.
Once again. Okay. Passing the entire element. Okay. Passing the entire element. There we passed actual parameter to formal parameter. Passing the entire array. Okay. Passing element by element. So here how we are passing now, we are not referring actual and formal parameter. We are passing element by element. So first I am declaring int b. Int b means it denotes what? Here nothing but size of the array. For example, if I having 5 elements will be passed. If I am having 4 element will be passed. But in this particular program, I have used 3. So I'm going to pass 3 elements. So to pass the 3 element, I have used my function name show ARR of I. Yeah, we have written that condition. For I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. So ARR of 0, ARR of 1, ARR of 2. So 3 elements will be passed. And then it will print that element value. So here we are passing, so 5 elements now it will pass 5 elements. 10 elements now it will pass 10 elements. So it will pass element by element. If you do any modification in your program, it doesn't affect the original value. Is clear, ma? Are you clear? Kindly acknowledge it. Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
getting yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you all. Okay. Then the third method. Passing element by element, same program only. So I will execute. The next one is pass by reference. So definitely I have to use 2 operator, pointer operator, ampersand and asterisk. Okay. Actually here I missed one sentence. That is what function declaration. What is my function declaration? Void. Okay. What is my function name? What is my function name?
Display.
This
Disp, not display. You all know it always has to be matched. Disp int asterisk num. Okay, okay. This is my function. What is this, ma? My function declaration. And this is for, this is what?
function calling.
Okay. And this is what?
Function definition.
Function definition.
Okay. Now you are telling that here I am passing the address. That's why ampersand and asterisk we are using. Pointer operator. Okay. Now you tell me what is my size of array, ma?
10.
10. But whether they specified the size,
No, ma'am.
whether it is a syntax error?
No.
No, because while we are learning about the array, we have seen that while compile time itself, we can specify the size of the array or we can specify without size. So this is not a error. Okay. Now int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So I used what in function calling? What operator I used? Ampersand. So ampersand means address. Address. Ampersand is nothing but address. Okay. Then I have used in function definition one operator. What is that operator? Asterisk. Why? Because now ampersand ARR of 0 means it refers the address. AR of 0, what is the value, ma? What is the value?
1.
1. Okay, that will be accessed by the operator asterisk. So if I put asterisk num, it will print the first value. Then if I put ampersand, next I am passing what? ARR of 1. ARR of 1, what is the next element? What is the value of the next element? ARR of 2. So the asterisk, without asterisk, it comes under call by value or pass by value. With asterisk and ampersand I used now, that is called as a call by reference method. I think I will execute these programs in online GDP compiler one by one. Is clear? So first we will see. Okay, so this method is passing entire array. Is clear? So this is function declaration. What is the name of this parameter, ma? What is ARR? What is ARR?
Actual parameters.
What is A?
Function definition.
Form.
Formal parameters. Okay. Okay. Now I done a modification in my actual parameter. A of I equal to A of I into I. So definitely it will affect the original value. And this will be called as a pass by address. Yes. Now shall we execute this program? Okay. What is my actual parameter value, ma? Tell me what is my actual parameter value?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, I have modified 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So after that, even I'm printing ARR of I, what is my elements value?
1, 4,
1, 4.
9.
So if I do any modification in my actual parameter, it will affect my
Formal.
original value. If I do any modification in my formal parameter, it will affect the original value. Any doubt in this program? Any doubt in this program? So modify ARR, that is my function calling. Okay, now I want to do a small or alteration in this program for passing element by element. Okay, tell me, what is that? Passing element by element, what is the change? Tell me. Passing element by element. Okay, I should not put the, I'm not passing the entire array. So what I have to use the variable num. Yes, I will pass that. Okay, and now I declared my variable. Okay, and here I have to put, I am passing element by element. So which loop I have to use? For loop. For A of, and this also should be declared as a ARR of I. Okay. Okay, and you all know that I value will become 0, then I value will become 1, then I value will become 2. Okay, and here the same num. How many variable now that will come? So here, if I am using my printf statement, okay.
Ma'am, 2 in printf.
Ma'am, print double and you can.
Yeah. The elements are I just print my element one by one. Okay. You all know. I'll put \n. Okay. So what is my actual parameter, ma? 1, 2, 3. I am passing element by element. Okay, and you all know that it is comes under pass by value. Okay.
And 13th line.
Yeah. I forgot to keep semicolon now. Okay, you just see the elements are 1, 2, 3. So actual parameters are what, ma? 1, 2, 3. And I'm not passing the entire array. Previously, what I did, I declared actual parameter and formal parameter. I passed my actual parameter to formal parameter. Okay, entire array passed. But here, I equal to 0 first I will pass, then I equal to 1, then I equal to 2, then it will print. Okay. Now I'm using passing by. Are you having any doubt on this, ma? Have you having any doubt on this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now passing reference method. Okay. What I have to use the ma? Passing reference method na? Here what I have to put? Same program I will take. Asterisk. Okay. Then here what I have to put? Ampersand. Very good. And here what I have to put? Asterisk. And definitely here also what I have to put? Asterisk. Okay. Now passing reference method. So if I execute, again the elements are 1, 2, 3. So not a nothing. When you understand pass by value, then automatically pass by reference is also same thing. This is also passing element by element method, but we use the pointer variable ampersand and asterisk. Ampersand will always pass the address of the element, and asterisk will point out the element in the particular address. Is clear? You people having any doubt on this? Yeah, I have received so many. Why pointers are necessary? Why pointers are necessary? We can say here while I am passing the memory, compile time, runtime memory, and you all know pointer will always do the memory management well. No, ma'am. What? No, ma'am. Understand? No, ma'am. You didn't understand. Doubt? Yeah, unmute and ask. Or else you put it in the message. Yeah, Emmanuel, you want to say something? No doubts, ma'am. Okay. Is there any doubt I asked? You say put no doubts. Okay, clear. You're all clear. Okay. So think, get over. Now, okay. So parameters are all get over. The next one is limitations of array. This is one of the important 2 marks will be asked. What is limitations in array? You all know array is a powerful in C program. Multiple data will stored in the with the single name. Okay, that is the thing. And following are listed out limitation in array. Okay, static data structure. I cannot be able to use for variable data. I have to use for the same data with single name. And memory allocated during compile time. Once memory is allocated at compile time, it cannot be changed during runtime. What is compile time and what is runtime now? For example, if I am giving A of 5, A of 5, it's a single dimension array. So consider it is integer. Okay. So how many bytes it will be occupied, ma? How many bytes it will be occupied? 20 bytes. 5 into 4 bytes, 20 bytes will be occupied. But I want to give only 3 inputs. Whether I can able to change in the runtime?
No.
No. Actually, it will allocate 20 bytes. Once I put A of 5, even it will accept 3 inputs, because if I use for loop, I will get it 3 inputs. But one thing is, what it is allocated only. That cannot change during runtime. I can give minimize and I can give 3 inputs. I can give 2 inputs. Okay, but I cannot give 6 inputs. That is the one constraint. I cannot alter. That means I cannot increase as well as decrease in the runtime. That is one of the main constraint in the array. That is static data. Are you all clear, ma? Are you clear with these points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next one is the next limitation of array only we are discussing. Can hold belonging to same data type. That is the thing. That's why we are moving to the next topic is structure. So it is belonging to same data type. Integer na I cannot able to declare insert float or char. That is not possible. Array is used to handle multiple data under the single name with single same data type, not single data type, same data type. Array can be used for multiple data using single name with same data type. So it cannot capable to handle multiple data type. That is the next point. Inserting data. So today now I am saying, I want to increase my element. That is also possible. I want to delete that is not also possible, because it will allocate continuous memory location. It will allocate 4 bytes. It will allocate integer 4 bytes. Char 1 byte now 1 byte. Float 4 byte now 4 byte. It will allocate. It will be fixed. So inserting deletion, that is not possible in array. That is said to be a next some of the disadvantages of array. Bound checking. Okay. For example, if we specify the array n, we can access up to n minus 1. Okay. Actually, we don't have a bound checking. Why? Because now my array's location will start from 0. For example, I have to give 100 element now. My subscript or that value will be started from a of 0 to a of 99. Okay. So if I am having that any boundary in between that, I may give I less than or equal to 3, this I give, then automatically it will take that n plus 1 element also. Is clear? So that's they were saying that bound checking is not available. It all depending upon your for loop condition and that only that. But even that, when you give the input, if it exceeds, that value will be stored as a garbage value. Okay, if you exceeds the limit, and for example, I'm giving some 100 inputs and I given 101 inputs, okay, and it will accept that 101 input because the condition I have written like that. But that value, the last value now 101 value, that will be considered as a garbage value. So there is no bound checking. Once I gave that array value, that for example, what is it saying now? I will write my array size is 100. Okay. And now I am using the condition for I equal to 0. I less than or equal to 100. I'm just giving like this. I plus plus. So what happened here now? How long it will take the value, ma? It will take from a of 0 to how long it will take? A of 0 to
99.
99 it will take. What I put?
100, ma'am. Lesser
Ah.
than or equal to.
I didn't
Less than
put
equal 100, ma'am.
less than or equal
Until
to
100, ma'am.
100. So totally how many values it will take?
100, ma'am.
0 to 100 now how many values?
101.
101.
That's why they are saying there is no bound checking. Why it will receive my 101 inputs. It will take that if range exceeds, it will take it as a garbage value. Because you all know A of 100, if I give, my memory will allocate from A of 0 to A of 99 only. But for loop, I put I less than I, it will accept. But that's why they are saying there is no bound checking. Shortage of memory. You all know that array have a static structure, and it will be once it is allocated, that memory is fixed. In the compile time, runtime, we don't have a memory. So for that, I told now A of some of them will give in a program A of 100 now. That means what you have understand from here. A of 100 means, is it possible?
Multi-dimensional.
Multi-dimensional array. You all know the dimension maximum, how many, what is my maximum boundary limit? I can make it 100. So I put simply 100. So what happened? It will allocate 100 into 100 data into 4 bytes. So if everyone is using like that, the shortage of memory will come. Is clear? That they were saying there is no limitation, because 100 is the maximum limit. Even though in my program I am not going to do that, that will automatically comes under 100 into 100 into 4 byte. You just imagine, it is nothing but how long data it will take. Now 4 KB of data for single array. Is it just imaginable? 100 into 100. Okay, so what happened? 10,000 into 4. So 40,000, that is nothing but for 40,000 bytes. It's nothing but 40 kilobytes. Wastage of memory. If array of large size is defined, the wastage of memory will come. Yeah. Applications of array. Array is used to store the, we all know it is used to store the data. That is, it is used to store the many datas with single variable name with same data type. That's why for you want to get the student's marks, or student's name, or student's address, or any of your in percentage, that you can use some variable data type, and I can use the array. So that is the main applications of array. Array used for maintaining multiple variable using single name. That's why I told you. Integer na roll number 1, roll number 2. I, for example, in your class 230, if I'm putting roll 1, roll 2, roll, how long? That is one of the disadvantage. And one more application of array. Array can use the sorting. What is sorting, ma?
Arrangement, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Arranging, whether you can do that sorting will be done in the ascending order or descending order. So using that sorting, we can do a different kind of sorting: bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, bucket sort, and all. I think you will study in that in a different subject, data structure. Okay, so there we have a thing, different sorting techniques are there to sort out that, and then we have a search the element in the array. All this kind of thing is possible in array. Array can be perform matrix operation. That's why we have seen two-dimensional array. I can do all kind of matrix operation, and multi-dimensional operation also I can do. And CPU scheduling, that is what they were saying now. Anything you want to run time. Okay, runtime, we were saying that array cannot be, we were focusing only on compile time, but one more important application is that I can give my input in runtime also. That particular topic you will learn in the third unit. Okay, so one of the memory management is for array we will use in runtime. Okay, so array can be used as a recursive function. What is recursive function, Ma? What is the meaning of recursive function?
A function called by itself.
A function can be called by itself repeatedly. That is called as a good Emmanuel, recursive function. I think we have completed the array. We have entirely, we have completed all the array topics. Yes, and you may kindly log in and check it in your program, in your thing. whether you can able to access the LMS. If you cannot able to access the LMS, immediately contact your year coordinator or your counselor. If any problem getting in LMS, you are getting the entire subject, but you are not getting to access my subject alone, you tell me. Okay. You can able to log in LMS and you are not getting programming in Sina, you tell me. And one more thing is, I have asked you to do some programs in practice programs in C. So we have completed two major topics in second unit. One is array and another one is structure. So next thing we will, I think after your Deepavali holidays, we will consult mainly about the structure we will discuss. So I think we have one more week for you to complete your syllabus. So that time we will complete the structure. So you have a 2 units for your CAE 2 mandatory. So CAE 1 entire notes, PPT, practice programs. Practice programs, I will take 5 marks from the practice programs out of 15. That means how if I want to convert, I will divide your mark by 3. Is clear? So if you are not getting 15, definitely you will lose the mark. So everyone try it and to get the output. Nearly 6 programs I have posted in the group for your reference. So you may have and you complete it. Example paper for CAE1. CAE1, I will tell you the question pattern. 5 2 marks will be there. Yes, clear. And 2 10 marks will be there. So totally how many marks you will write? 5 2 marks and 2 10 marks. 30 marks, Kudeep, correct. So 5 2 marks, 3 2 marks we will ask from unit 1, and 2 2 marks we will ask from unit 2. Okay. And 2 10 marks are there. Na? In 2 marks, you don't have a choice. In part B question, you have a 2 10 marks. Now that 2 10 marks you have a with either or pattern. Okay, first unit from one part B question and second unit from another part B question with either or choice. Any previous year question papers are there, ma'am? For model, please send it in group. Okay, it is easy or hard? It is medium always. Don't think it will be too easy. Don't think it will be too tough. It will be always medium. If you learn, don't add current on your notes. You are supposed to be learn. Okay. Everyone will say college will become easy. If you learn only, it will become easy. Otherwise, it is tough only. So I told you yesterday itself, told you C and C++, you are not learning for one semester. You have to learn till your final year. So I think practice programs, yesterday some of you have put, ma'am, we also did. Why you are saying Raj Kennedy name alone? I don't want to see that who have attempted the entire quiz. So 150 only, the total strength is. Sai Avinash is there. Mars and Jeffrey is there. They will sure. Yalini, complete it. You have some more programs. Kirti Banu, try it. Raj Kennedy, try it, complete it. Sopna, good, 15 marks. Raj Kennedy, oh, you have attempted 2 times. Okay, not a problem. So there you got 15 marks. Pooja Shri, complete it. I'm trying, ma'am, but I cannot able to complete, ma'am. It shows error, ma'am. Okay, that means you are not all your answers. Yesterday, some of you have asked me, ma'am, I have a error in which program? That yeah, control statement in C. We have I gave you the program. You go and search it. Yesterday, some of you, I don't know, you belong to this class or that class, I don't know. So control statement function, you will get it all your programs. Is clear? So I think almost the time get over. So you in your holidays, you complete your practice programs. From that, I will definitely take 5 marks for your assignment 1 and prepare well for your CAE. Unit 2 course material, Unit 2 string PPT, Unit 2 array PPT is uploaded. So only topic is left out is structure. This is the topic we are supposed to discuss. Okay, structure, nested structure, array of structure, functional structure, and union. So this topic will be covered in the next week after your Deepavali holidays, it will be covered. So anything you want to that, you put it in chat or else you leave the meeting. Is clear? You can do it, ma. I have put 6 programs in the group. Still, you are getting some error now. Download all the. Do we have groups for CS, ma'am? CS now? Important questions and programs for ECAE. Cover all which is given in your LMS. Okay. I told you already. We will tell you in next class. I think when the strength is there, I will tell you the topic only. Important question is not possible. Okay, I will end the meeting, ma. Thank you. Sample question paper. Okay. Study in the first unit. If you have the free time, you just complete the structure of C. Okay, in the first unit, I'm saying control statements in C and functions in C. Yes, you complete, at least you complete 2 topics now, structure in C and control statement in C. Is clear, Hemant? Fully you want to study, then if you study partially, it will be reflected in your placement. So completely study each and every one. Yes, I'll end the meeting. Thank you all.